This is another quick video for the students who are on my logo design course. A couple of people asked me to tell them a little bit more about mind mapping, and I've produced another video that goes into actually how you do a mind map, and I've done that on paper, but I just wanted to show you how you could also do it electronically. And one of my favourite ways to do this is to use an online program called MindMeister. That's at mindmeister.com. And you can see here you can actually sign up for free. So if you click that, now I've actually got a plan and I pay a monthly fee to use this, and what I like about it is that you can get it on the iPhone, the iPad and online, and it all syncs with each other. But if you look down the bottom here, you can see you can get a basic version that allows you to create up to 3 mind maps and share them, and you can also collaborate on them with other people. So if you want to just test it out, just try that, the basic free version. So let me sign in and then I can show you a bit more about how you use it. As you can see here, I'm now logged into my MindMeister account, and you can do all sorts of things. You can organise different mind maps into folders, share them, but let's just start by creating a new mind map. So you get to choose from your type of template you'd like to use, and I just tend to go for the blank one. And now I tend to use, if I'm doing logo designs, I tend to just use paper, but I generally use this when I want to organise my thoughts. Like, for example, when I was actually preparing the logo design course, I used this to try and work out the structure. But obviously, whichever way works for you, go ahead and do that. So when you open up the document, you'll get this one sort of circle in the middle, and that's where you'll start all your thoughts from. So let's say we were going to come up with a logo idea for a dog food company. We might put that in the middle, and then to create the links, just use this plus button up here. So let me put in there, might put in meat perhaps up there. I'm not going to do a full mind map because obviously I've explained that more in the other video. But then to link onto there, all you do is literally wherever you want the link to come from, you click on that circle and then press plus. So if we're going to go from the central bit, we'd go plus on there. But then if I wanted to get little sub branches off of here, I'd make sure that was selected first and then hit the plus again. You can also do things like add images. So if I wanted to, let me say here, I wanted to add an image. It's got some sort of default images. You can upload images or you can use an image from the web. So obviously that's a way where you can bring in sort of visual representations as well as your words. So it's a great little program. You can also add in web links and do all sorts. You can colour these up. So you can see here, look, I can colour the text and you can colour the backgrounds. You can do all sorts. And then when you finish, it automatically saves it for you. And when you finish, if you've got certain accounts, you can share it with your friends. You can let other people come in and help you brainstorm if you wanted. Yeah, so that's basically how that works. And obviously that's great, and you get 3 free mind maps. But if you want a free option, there are a few others you could take a look at. Now I haven't actually used these myself, but I found a few for you. So it's mind42.com. Check that out, and that's a free online service again. There's Wise Mapping, which again is a free online service, and it lets you try it out even before you create a login as well. Again, I haven't tried that one. And if you wanted something that you could actually download to your computer, there's also a free program called FreeMind. Now I think rather than giving you that long link there, I think you're better off just to do a quick search on FreeMind and you'll find that quite easily.